tayo nang kumilos para sa kalayaan.
UP stood shoulder to shoulder with the Human Rights Violations Victims Memorial Commission to give us land to build the Freedom Memorial Museum.
And today marks a milestone, literally, because we are going to put stone and steel to a remembrance deeply related to our most valued principles and, in fact, values. And that is human rights. The monuments that we are going to build is not going to cure the pain. It is a surcease of pain, a lessening of pain. The Bible says, of course, it's God, but since we are secular, it is justice. Only justice can cure this pain.